What's up, YouTube? Back at you with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my Hot Wheels set that I got. Now, this set I actually got a couple of weeks ago. I don't know, like a week or two ago. Like 2 weeks ago, I think. Anyway, yeah. It's the pizza set. I don't know. It was Hot Wheels. I liked it, so yeah. This is everything it came with. Came with this one car, and it's pizza themed. It's Hot Wheels branded at the top. Yeah. For some reason, it only came with one of these. Yet it came with 3 of these little connectors. You'd think if it came with 3 of these connectors, you'd think it would come with at least 3 of these. But it's alright though. Might get some more of those track sets to add on to this. So yeah. Anyway. Yeah. This is the car that came with the set. This is the T-Gray. Yeah, this is the T-Gray. I don't know much about Hot Wheels cars. Anyway, yeah. This is how you do it. There's a little button. You just simply press it. Goes through the loop. Hits this. When it goes through, if you want to, you can either lift this up, this little ramp right here up. You can either lift that up and it'll go straight through onto this little pathway, or you can keep it down and it'll jump it and go all over the place. Now I also do have a few more cars, or a couple more cars and some dirt bikes and stuff. Yeah. This is a green car, the clear one. This is the other good one I like on this track. These, they just friggin' fly off the track as soon as you hit the button, because the back is so curved. On the bottom, they just launches, they just pushes underneath it. And then got this red car, some Hot Wheels on it. Like right now, I'm thinking of that one. What the heck is on those? Those are some weird looking leaves. Like sometimes that's like pocket full of sunshine. This one says Forward Force. This one's the Nerve Hammer. And he just released his new song, Ill Mind 8. That's pretty cool. Kind of a weird situation that he's in right now. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you'll understand. And if you don't, well, you're out of the loop. This one don't have a name. See? I don't know if you can really tell it, but it don't have a name. So yeah. Anyway. Then I got a few little motorbikes. Got a friggin' street bike and a race bike and some kind of like friggin' weird mini bike, dirt bike looking thing. I don't know. Either way, yeah, this is my Hot Wheels stuff. If you like it, press that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. And if you want to see more Hot Wheels videos, let me know in the description. Peace out.